Simon Peltenburg from Ripple Energy, and this is our wind farm site. So this is as far as the guys have got in terms of laying out the route of the track. You can see in the previous picture the mown grass. It's done for ecological reasons to avoid any impacts on birds and reptiles. Behind me here we've got the watercourse crossing, so they'll be able to do that crossing once they've built up the track to here. And then you can see just beyond that hump behind me, that's exactly where the wind turbine is going to go.